Hey guys, quick video to talk about how to get tongue groove edging done on your boards, meaning that you create these two intersecting pieces that just slide into each other, like here before finished. And I'm using these Kowood bits, one for the tongue and one for the groove. I'll show you guys how they function. Picked up the kit on Amazon. There was a bunch of different ones. Everything has mixed reviews, so you just gotta try yourself. I think it was $30-something maybe. It has a nice thick 1/2-inch bit, which is huge. Some of these router bits with the 1/4 inch just don't always hold up. I already got about 30 8-foot boards done with it, but I got about 60 more to go doing a sauna project. Check out my channel if you want to see that. But let me pop these on and show you how it cuts. So we're starting with the tongue bit. Make sure you elevate it to the right spot so you are both almost sticking out or even with the top of the board, and then same with the bottom of the board. That way you have an even cut on both sides. And now you can give it a go. Also, the back of the board should be touching the inside spinner ring, as you won't be able to cut deeper. So test that out as well. But let's give it a go. Here's a tongue cut. Looks good. Now we can try the groove and see if they fit. Clean, smooth, no chips. I like it. So we got a bit installed for the groove part. And now to get it perfectly in the center, one trick is you can just measure the middle of your beam. This is 1-inch beam, so I haven't marked up the 1/2-inch mark. And I want to line that up with the gap between these two blades, as that marks the middle of the two different blades on here. So line it up, adjust your router, and if it lines up, we are good to cut. Here's a groove. Looks good, clean. Now let's fit them. Look at that. Perfect fit. So another thing you can do now is get your handheld planer and cut little edges here, so you get a finish like this. Sorry. Like this. But that's all up to you. That's it. Hopefully this is helpful. Thank you for watching. I have more detailed video on this as well. Once again, this was the kit I used, but there's plenty of different ones out there. I'm gonna post some more detailed videos on all this as well, as doing full-size boards and so on, but just wanted to give you guys a quick video how you can get a nice tongue groove done without too much effort. Thanks so much. Please subscribe, follow, and come back for more, guys.